South Africa went through the same thing. For us, South Africa, this is personal because we know what it feels to be dispossessed of your land.
ANC nabasebenzisani bayo bamashele endlini yobuzenda beIsrael ePitori bayokutshela abazenda beIsrael ukuthi nangabe ayipheli ipi phezulu kwamaPalestina ngamakoro.
Hauna thuso re kriya handrwaka ejikagetseng ikacha kansela etla tla ukagala ntlo etla dira tsotle tse di moteng gantwa.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uqalise inyawo ehlagweni jingalanga nabongqongqoshe bakhe embizweni yokulalela indilo zabantu. Sizikhatsha ukusuka emzimkhulu wehlangano yezokuhatsha iSABC eAuckland Park ziza kuwe ngesiNdebele lotshani isitshaba sekosi. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ulindeleke bona aqalise inyawo emzimkhulu weGibhite eCairo lapha yokubamba khona imkhulumiswano yokuthula. Imkhulumiswano le kubingwe ngayo ukuqeda ipi eMiddle East kobanyana amahlangothi alwako abuyele etafuleni lemkhulumiswano. Inkulungwana ngenkulungwana zamalunga wenhlangano ezibasebenzisani beANC zimashele endlini yobuzenda beIsrael ePitori bayokutshengisa ukusekela amaPalestina.
Baphume ngobunengi babo omdala nomncane bakhuluma ngalizwi linye lokuthi ayiphele lento yenzeka phakathi kweIsrael nePalestina.
We want Israel to stop the apartheid. We South Africans have dealt with it. We know what it is all about. We want freedom for the people of Palestine.
South Africa went through the same thing. For us, South Africa, this is personal because we know what it feels to be dispossessed of your land and of your dignity and your humanity. And it's something that we South Africans, we can't tolerate.
Njengomana sibonakala sikhuphuka nje nesibalo sabantu babulawako iANC nenhlangano ezibasebenzisani bayo bathi uhulumende weSouth Africa kufuze abakhombe indlela abazenda beIsrael lapha eSouth Africa. iANC ithi amaPalestina kufuze athatshululwe avunyelwe ukuthi azikhethele ingomso lawo.
We want to remind the world about what Comrade Nelson Mandela has said, that our own freedom will not be complete until the people of Palestine are free.
Kanti njengoba umengameli Ramaphosa aqalisa inyawo eCairo nje abantu bePalestina solo bayakhahlumezeka kanti abonakala fiphala namathuba ukuthi kubekwe phasi ngikhali. Iindaba nasisenjalo enye inhlangano yepolitiki ekhethwa pha iEFF iyokudosa phambili ijima lokumatsha ngomvulo ikhalima ipi ethulela ngamandla eGaza.
Ikhotho ephakemeko yePitori ikhuphe isahlulelo esithi angeke isebenzise umgadangiso wephimbo lomsola wesibili uBongani Ntanzi njengobufakazi ekhotho. Nanyana kunjalo igqwetha lakhe lingake ngelithi kukuphula amalungelo omthetho sisekelo ngombana bekangazi bona uyagadangiswa.
Ijaji uRatha Mokgwatleng uthola ukuthi kuyakhanya ukuthi aphuliwe amalungelo omsola wesibili uBongani Ntanzi.
If this court allowed such an egregious flouting and flagrant flouting of accused number 2's constitutional rights in terms of section 35(5), it would not be in the interest of justice to do so.
Actually, we are so delighted to receive the outcome of the finding of the judge in relation to the evidence of the tape recordings.
Phamlina kasathoma ukuchuka ngembuzo konye uthuntanzi wazishwela ngentando yakhe konke lokho begodwa wakutsho ngentando yakhe ngaphandle kokufuna ukutsho ngegqwetha lakhe uDominic Mjiyako. Kodwa uNtanzi uthakamazi nangelihlo uMjiyako loyo uthakhanga klikidle encwadini nayinye phambi kokonye. Igqwetha lithi uNtanzi wakhahlunyezwa kodwa ukonye akhanga mtshele lokho ukuchuka ngembuzo kusaraga.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nabongqongqoshe bakhe babuyele esifundeni seNorthwest namhlanje ngomnqopho ukuyokuhlola indima elinyweko solukwethulwa ihlelo iDistrict Development Model ngomnyaka opheleleko. Imbizo kaMengameli ibanjelwe eKageng Stadium ePotchefstroom.
Umengameli wathembisa izakhamuzi lapha eNorthwest ngomnyaka opheleleko bona umrara amanzi bazowurarulula msinya. Namhlanje kuseni umengameli uvukele khona yokuqala indima elinyweko ngombana kwakhiwa iplant ekulu yamazi esifundeni iDr. Kenneth Kaunda.
The issue of water we are now on top of the solutions that can be brought to bear. So not everything has been done, but those things that we could measure that were raised, yes, they've measured very carefully that 80% have been done. So we are turning things around in as far as improving the lives of our people.
Uthe angasuka lapho aqalisa inyawo lapho behlangene khona izakhamuzi zimlinde ngabovu ziyomlilela. Wamukelwe ngehahla umengameli. Abantu bebabangelana okuya phambili bafuna ukuyokhuluma. Ikundla ivule isakhamuzi esilenge igezi ehlala iqindeliswa bona kwanje izobachisela izindlu.
Handrwaga ekikagetseng ikacha kansela itata ukagala ntlo etla dira tsotle tse di moteng ga ntlo.
Ndaba kulu lapha bulelesi.
Re police station re ta go phota go ripota khang eo. Ha ise batho ba bone mo go rona so re botlhoko nthata ka o sane yana freedom wa 74 years o beteletswe bile o tlhokafetse.
Indeed, that these youngsters here, they run amok, some of them quite young. Some of them have been arrested, but we need to do more dealing with this. They are construction mafia. They take over construction sites and all that. As the president has said, we agree, we concede on that, hence we are responding.
Abanye bathi, umengameli kuzokufanele akhayiqalisisa indaba yeminyaka abantu nabafuna imisebenzi. Ngombana baluphalele ekhaya ngombana kufuneka abantu beminyaka ethize.
Ke tlo go kopa Mr President gore taba ya age ha re apply ya mosebetsi ya re bolaya. Taba ya 18 till 35 years ya re bolaya thata. That is why batho ba bantsi ba end up ba le ko di drugs.
Zakhamuzi zilila ngabasebenzi bakahulumende bona batsho bayadonda bawenza umsebenzi wabo.
President, the official is a failure. That is why today the complaint but only bat they are working around you.
Umengameli uthi bazizwile inlilo zabantu. Uhulumende uzokusebenzela phezukwazo.
Ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo isichithile isibawo se-Road Accident Fund sokudlulisela phambili umlayo wekhotho ephakemeko ye-North Gauteng ukuyivimba ngokwala ukubhadela indleko zokwelatshwa zabantu abalimalela engozini zendlela esele bafumene imbadelo yokwelatshwa i-medical aid. I-Discovery Health Medical Scheme ekungiyo ekhambe yokumangala ithi ukwala kwerafu ukubhadela kuzokwenza bona iinkampani zama-medical aid zithwale nzima.
I-Discovery Health isamukele isiqundo sekhotho yezomthethosisekelo sokuraga isibawo se-Road Accident Fund sokufuna ukudlulisela isibawo sayo ekhotho ezokudlulisela kwamacala ngokubhala kwayo ukubhadela indleko zokwelatshwa komuntu olimalele engozini yendlela nangabe ubhadelelwe i-medical aid ekuyinto ebesolo iyenza sonke isikhathisi.
We are pleased that the Constitutional Court, the apex court of our land, has upheld the decision of the High Court, which was also upheld, by the way, on appeal by the Supreme Court of Appeal, that the directive issued by the Road Accident Fund to cease the processing of all medical scheme members' claims who have valid medical expense claims after road accident injuries, they've declared this unlawful.
I-Discovery Health ithi isiqundo sekhotho ephakemeko siqakathekile ekutheni iinkampani zama-medical aid zikhone ukuraga nokusebenza yathi isiqundwesi sibuye sibonelele nabantu.
It ensures equal and fair treatment of all road accident users. Of course, medical scheme members who pay for fuel pay the same road accident fund levies in the fuel that all other road users do. And of course, as you know, medical scheme contributions are from after-tax income. So they are equally eligible for claims.
I-Discovery Health ithi ikhotho yezomthethosisekelo ukuve nje indaba le ibone ngehlangothini le-RAF i-Discovery beyokulahlekelwa imali ebalelwa ku-R120 million yembawo zokwelatshwa kwabantu. Lokho ebekuzokwenza ukuthi zikhuphuke imali zama-medical aid. Abantu bagcine sebangasakhoni ukubhadela.
Nasibuya entolo.
The system is being upgraded to keep up with the demand, and it's not that we are lagging behind.
iJohannesburg Water ithi mamalahlaza indaba yokuthi babhalelwa kuphakela amanzi ngefanelo kodwa abantu bona solo bahloga amanzi. iJohannesburg Water iphikile ibatsho yokuthi ukuhlayela kwamanzi eJohannesburg nakezinye indawo zeGauteng kubangelwa ukungalungiswa komthangalasisekelo. Inkhulu zekhampani le nabezikhuluma nababika indaba namhlanje zithe kunezinto ezenziwako ukuletha ubungcono ekuphakelweni kwamanzi endaweni ezithintekileko. iJohannesburg Water isola ukuchugulwa kobujamo bezulu, ukuqindeliswa kwegezi nokusetshenziswa kakhulu kwamanzi njengabonobangela bokungaphakelwa kwamanzi ngefanelo.
Indawo elidorobha iSouth Hills, iNashurena, iBerea neLinden zimveke ezihloga amanzi. iJohannesburg Water ithi ukungenelela kwayo kuletha ubungcono.
If we look at the system of rainwater, we'll note that last week the entire system was sitting at 36% in terms of their total reservoir storage capacity. Today, this week, which is 7 days down the line, the system has improved. It's now sitting at 37.5%.
Kuthiwa i-24.1% yamanzi iphela ingakafiki nempompini ngenxa yemthangalasisekelo eselimdala. Kodwa iJohannesburg Water iphika iyathinta ngebatsho yokubhalelwa kwayo ukwenelisa iJohannesburg ngamanzi.
Demand, yes, has grown, and it's not that the city is behind or not ahead of the problems that we have. I think my colleague Joseph shared about the Brixton Crosby project. This project actually started in 2015, but there's been challenges.
Izakhamuzi zibawe bona zisebenzisa amanzi ngokwababalela. Umuntu angatheleleli itonakha ahlanze nekoloyi ngokusebenzisa iphayiphu.
Polisa leMpumalanga elisolwa ngokubulala umkalo ngokumhlaba ngebhodlelo lisilisile isibawo sebheyili. Ulakhi Sandile Maduna uvele kafeaturesana ekhotho kaMagistrata weBarberton namhlanje. uMaduna weminyaka ema-34 obudala thiwa uhlabe unakwakhe ngebhodlelo ekuthomeni kwenyanga le. uMaduna usebenzela iphiko lamapholisa eleluse ukuthula emphakathini eHazyview.
uMaduna uqalene necala lokubulala nokulinga ukubulala kuzwakala bona wahlaba umkakhe uNonkululeko Mthweni ngebhodlelo lotshwala eliphukileko bewalimaza nomngani kankosikazi wakhe obekalinga ukulamula. Kusambula kuyembeswa ngomma usesibhedlela namhlanje umsola ubonakela nokuzisola nabekavele ekhotho.
Into wami uMr Maduna uyo abandona ibail kusho ukuthi sicelo sebail ngeke asasifaka, but it's only at this stage ukuthi athathe lesinqumo ukuthi lesicelo ngeke asasifaka. Izathu ukuthi why angachubeki ngebail angeke sikhone ukuthi siclose at this stage.
Umndeni wakwaMthweni usathukiwe kanti uhlalele evalweni ufuna ubulungiswa.
Umndeni ufila kahle ngoba nalabantwana bebangasahlaliseki kahle. Basaba ukuthi makangathola ibail mebangeza azobahlukumeza.
Icala lithuliselwe ngomhla ka-15 ngosinye ekhaba ukwenzela bona kuphenywe ukuya phambili.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuzile bona uthini umbono wakho ngokuthi umbanduli wamabhokobhoko uthe akazokwenza amachuguluko esiqhemeni sakhe. Nakumbona kuyalandela mbukeli.
Isicema samabhokobhoko sicema eqinile kosicine from ebhankini to abadlali abadlala ngaphakathi. So noma umbanduli angenza amachuguluko kankulu ukuthi mhlawumbe la amachuguluko angenza umonakalo.
Angeke ulungiswe lapho kungakamoshakali khona. Bazowina umdlalo wabo nama-England, bazobuya nayo ikhapho ye-Rugby World Cup mhathi.
Uthi ukuthi isicema sakhe uyasazi nabadlali ababophele kuyabazi ubathembile ukuthi bazokudlula kuhle kuma semifinal.
Uye wazi amaplan nokuthi uplane kanjani ukuthi sifesane namangisi. So angiboni inkinga, ngibona indlela kakhulu lento ayenza.
Vele amabhokobhoko ana experience ukuthi ayishaye eEngland. If uyakhumbula abadlali nje lapha inqwaba basekhona ekuyibona esashaya eEngland kuma final 4 years ago.
Ngiyethemba ukuthi bazophumelela ngoba bayimisele kakhulu bayalwela.
Phambili mabhokobhoko ngithi ayawina amabhokobhoko na kanjani siyawina na kanjani.
Umbono ngewumbukeli SABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli.
Nakusenjalo, imidlalo nebhola erarhwako wokukamehla sesigodini sikaMaminzela eOrlando Stadium la iOrlando Pirates ibambana khona neCape Town Spurs. Lo mdlalo wesibili webigiri Carling Knockout Cup wokuthoma kube nguwe Mamelodi Sundowns neTS Galaxy ngelesithathu ebusuku. Amabhakabhaka eza kulo mdlalo ahlalelwa abadlali abahlanu ekade bakhambene bafana eIvory Coast kodwa labo bakhona bathwele amagugu njengoba nemidlalo nabo ukugcina bathumba ibigiri MTN 8 babethi Mamelodi Sundowns. Hlangana nabadlali zayibangekho ngenxa yokulimala kubala ukapteni wePirates uInnocent Mayela kunye nekwekwezana edlala kuhle isizini le uZakhele Lipasa. Ispurs sona siza nombandulo omutsha uSean khona njengoba uSean Bucklet aqothiwe ukulandela ukuloba imidlalo elikhomba okulandelana. Umdlalo uthome ngo-7 ebusuku.
Baphumile abazumi bayokuzuma zandamba makwekwezi FM. Asizwe bona babambe ezinonile kona. Masango kuzumekile.
Thokoze Thandeka kuyokuthi nge-hour lesithandathu umlaleli hlangana nangazizwa ngezokuthi abalimi ukubafuyi benkukhu bachinge embusweni ukuthi abancephezeliswe ngemva kokuthi inkukhu zabo zihayilwe umgomane lo wenyoni. Ezinye zendaba esiziphetheko ngizo lezi zokuthi la eJohannesburg kwangakuza umhlago wamanzi. Siyokhuluma nomnumzane uMasilela ngemva kokuthi umbuso ukhiphe isaziso sokuthi akuphungule ukusetshenziswa kwemali. Umnumzane uMasilela sobe sikhuluma naye ngelwazi lakhe lokuklama imithetho lapha embusweni. Kanti-ke sizokuthi ihlelo sesolibeka phasi sokwenza ikhambela phambili yomdlalo wamabhokobhoko nesiqhema se-England okumdlalo wamavunda nolakhi uProfessor Mahlangu omkhuzeli wezemidlalo kuKwekwezi FM. Lezi ngemva kwe-hour lesithandathu. Sithokoze Thandeka.
Siyathokoza Masango umbukeli eziphelela lapha namhlanje. Sihlangana kodwa ngoMvulo. Iphela veki akube ngemnandi.